Make $300 a day using ClickBank. ClickBank is the biggest affiliate marketing network in the internet. And if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, it's simply that you are a salesperson online. You take someone else's product, you put that product in front of the right customer, the customer will buy the product and you earn a commission. For example, let's say that the product is this bottle. Okay, this bottle costs $20. The company wants to sell this item for $20, and if I am able to sell this item, the company will give me maybe $5. Okay, now I drive some traffic to this product and then I sell this product. And every time that I sell one of this product, I will earn $5. If I sell 100 bottles, I will earn $500. As you can see, it's pretty simple to understand, but it's not very easy and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business and you need to take effort and you need to know the exact strategy in order to make money. But in this video, we'll give you the exact 3 simple steps that you can use today to find the right product on ClickBank to promote and how to drive free traffic to that product so you can have sales without investing a penny. I've done some affiliate marketing and I've made some money, but it was not the main thing for me. I have done it with some Instagram pages. I've created few Instagram pages around dogs, around cats, around makeup niche, and then I've started promoting products around that niche. But the biggest mistake that I have done was to not be passionate about those topics. I was not passionate about makeup. I was not passionate about dogs and cats. I was not passionate about this. And this is why I ended up closing my pages, have zero motivation, and pretty much earn just low money. And my biggest tip for you is to choose something that you like and you enjoy, because by doing this you will be consistent and you will keep working every single day because it's something that you like and it's something that you are interested in. But if you just do something just for the purpose of making money and at the beginning you will not make a ton of money, you will pretty much end up losing the motivation and losing this business opportunity. So the first thing to do is go on clickbank.com and then look at all the categories that they have and find out the good niche for you, the good topic, because everybody is different and maybe do you like fitness, do you like health, but maybe someone else like animals, someone else likes maybe makeup. You need to find maybe 2 or 3 main categories that you like and you are willing to stick to them until you will succeed and make money. Once you found out the 3 categories, you need to go deep on subcategories and find out some products. Probably there will be just digital products, courses, trainings, informations, maybe books, ebooks, and all this stuff. But you need to find out at least 2 or 3 products for every single category. So now you have came out with 9 products on 3 different categories. So you can promote different stuff, because maybe I am not directly interested on exercises to do in the gym, but I am interested on what to eat in order to have a great body, because I already know how to do exercises in the gym. So make sure to find the right product that a lot of people can buy and a lot of people are interested in. And then once you have found those products and you are sure 100% that you want to sell them, just go and create a simple account on ClickBank. It's free. You sign up, you add your information, and you are ready to go. You are ready to make money. And the second step is to choose a social media platform. And here again, find a platform that you like, because if you hate Instagram, don't go on Instagram, but you have a lot of other alternatives. Same thing, if you don't like doing videos or if you don't like maybe YouTube, don't go on YouTube, but go on Facebook. You can choose between Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. You can choose the platform that you want, and even better if you can do it on multiple platforms. And then there you need to create maybe 3 pages for every single category that you have chosen on ClickBank and create content around that. So you will attract people that are interested in that topic, in that niche. Let's use again the example about fitness. Okay, if I have 3 products around fitness, maybe 1 nutrition, 1 workout, and 1 cardio. Okay, now I need to create an Instagram page where I need to share daily stuff about nutrition, workout, and cardio. I need to post constantly every single day content maybe on Instagram, also on Facebook, also on Snapchat. So my page will grow, my page will get more followers, more likes, and I can grow an audience around that product. And once you have some people that follows you, that like what you do and really find interesting the content that you provide, yes, because you need to provide interesting and good content in order to be able to sell some sort of product, especially on Instagram or on social platforms where you don't show your face, because people have less trust in a page than they have in a personal brand. So make sure to provide good and high quality content around the niche, so people will get a ton of free value, a ton of free information. And then maybe once a week, every single Monday, you promote one of those products, and you will see that if you are doing a good job with the Instagram post, if your page have enough followers, let's say for example 5,000 or more, you will be able to see that people click on that offer, maybe on stories, swipe up, or just the link in bio, and then some people will buy the product, but just if it's a good product and very valuable. And by doing this, you will ensure to yourself to make money with ClickBank and with affiliate marketing. Because at the end, it's just a number games. You need, for example, 10,000 followers, where just 100 followers look at your product, and then where just 10 people buy to your product. And the more numbers that you have on your page, the better it is, and the more money you can make. And then once you start seeing that the process works, that you are making money and this funnel works, you need to scale everything. Create multiple pages around the niche, create multiple pages around other niches. And maybe if you have some money now, it's time to delegate. Maybe pay someone to create some content for you, so you have more time to focus on the marketing side. Or maybe just pay people to run Instagram pages in order to make the content, post the content, and manage all the DMs. And then you can focus only on marketing, on the growth of the account and this stuff. And then once you will have maybe 5 or 10 pages that are very big, and every day of the week they are promoting stuff that are affiliate on ClickBank, you will see that you will make a lot of money and you will start getting successful. And very important is stick to it until you will succeed, because with every business model you will start working hard without seeing results. At the beginning, maybe you will post 10 times a day on every platform on social media, and then you will maybe make $0 for the first month or the first 5 months, I don't know. But make sure to stick to it and keep posting, keep doing the stuff in order to make money. And then you will see that all the work that you do will create a snowball effect, and you will make a lot of money on the long run. Because at the end, yes, you need some quick cash, but at the end it's important to have a business that provides you with monthly cash flow, that it's something really solid. And if you have maybe 5 pages, you have 5 different streams of income, and then on those pages you can promote different products. And also, once you will be able to make some money and understand exactly how this works, you can go on other marketplaces, for example Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and find out other offers. So you will provide more products, more choices to your followers, and you can help them to get in shape and to achieve what they want. Because at the end, you need to provide a good value to them and provide something that is very, very valuable and useful to them. So you will help a lot of people and make a lot of money. And the same thing, for example, is with a dog page, where you maybe promote products around people that have dogs, that can improve the health of the dog, or can make the dog happier, or can make the dog more safety. You need to be focused 100% on providing good value and promoting good product. Don't promote products that are bad just in order to make money, because yes, maybe you will make some quick money, but at the end people will see that you promote the bad stuff and they will never buy from you again. And then once you will make sales, you will see that your money will go on ClickBank, and from there ClickBank will send the money directly to your bank account or on your PayPal, depending on the settings. But it's safe 100%, and the money will get to you. It's not a scam, because I have tried by myself, and also a lot of people have tried, and there is a ton of people that are making a ton of money using ClickBank. And if you're not certain about ClickBank, just go online and look at some reviews, or just try to do some stuff. But at the end you invest $0, so you will never lose money. Yes, you will invest some time, but at the end, during the time, you learn a lot of stuff that you can use with other business model or other affiliate marketplaces. And if you want to know exactly how to become successful with every single business model, download the free PDF that you find in the description so you'll know exactly the 7 traits of successful people. And if you want to make $100 a day as a broke individual, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how you can do it. I see you there. And these pages are earning a lot of money and you need to do the same. And if you want to make big money, you need to grow a big and good page so people are willing to ask you to do promotion